The 80-20 rule is a simple yet effective strategy for sustainable weight loss. This principle, also known as the Pareto principle, suggests that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. When applied to weight loss, it means focusing on the most impactful habits while allowing flexibility for enjoyment. By prioritizing healthy choices 80% of the time and indulging in moderation 20% of the time, you can create a balanced approach that is both effective and maintainable in the long term. To implement the 80-20 rule for weight loss, start by identifying the key habits that drive progress. These include consuming nutrient-dense foods, controlling portion sizes, staying hydrated, and engaging in regular physical activity. For example, focus on eating whole foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains for 80% of your meals. This ensures your body receives essential nutrients while keeping calorie intake in check. The remaining 20% can be reserved for treats or less healthy options, allowing you to enjoy your favorite foods without guilt or deprivation. Consistency is crucial when following the 80-20 rule. While it's tempting to aim for perfection, this approach acknowledges that occasional indulgences are part of a healthy lifestyle. For instance, if you eat 3 meals a day, you might plan for 1 or 2 flexible meals per week where you can enjoy foods that aren't strictly part of your diet. This flexibility helps prevent feelings of restriction, which can lead to binge eating or abandoning your weight loss goals altogether. Another benefit of the 80-20 rule is its adaptability to different lifestyles. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or someone with dietary restrictions, this method can be tailored to fit your needs. For example, if you struggle with meal prep, you can focus on making 80% of your meals simple and quick, while saving the 20% for dining out or experimenting with new recipes. The key is to maintain a balance that works for you without feeling overwhelmed or deprived. In conclusion, the 80-20 rule is a practical and sustainable approach to weight loss. By focusing on healthy habits 80% of the time and allowing flexibility 20% of the time, you can achieve your goals without sacrificing enjoyment. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and finding a method that fits your lifestyle is essential for long-term success. Start small, stay consistent, and embrace the balance that the 80-20 rule offers to create a healthier, happier you.